Hello, in this video we'll show you how to remove and replace the AC compressor on Volkswagen Tiguan 2 liters TDI. The serpentine belt on this car is located on the side of the engine, you can see it right there, and the AC compressor is the bottom pulley on the front of the engine. To remove the AC compressor, we need to go underneath the car and remove it from there. First, we'll start by removing the engine under tray. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. And now I have access to the serpentine belt. To remove the serpentine belt, the tensioner is right there. This bolt right there, this pulley right there is the tensioner. And there is two holes on the tensioner, and we're going to put a pin in there to hold it when we turn the tensioner clockwise. These are the two holes that we're going to put the pin through, and to hold the tensioner in place. This is the pin that I'm using. I'm going to put the pin first through one of the holes, and then I'm going to get a wrench to turn the tensioner, and when I turn the tensioner I'm going to put the pin through the other hole as well. To turn the tensioner, I'm going to use a long wrench. This is the long wrench that I'm using. The size of the wrench is size 16. I'm putting the wrench on the bolt of the tensioner pulley, and I'm going to turn it clockwise until one of the holes on the tensioner reaches the other hole, and so that I can put the pin through both holes. Okay, now I'm turning the tensioner. I'm going to put the pin in through both holes, and now the tensioner is held in place, and now the serpentine belt should be loose, and I can remove it easily. Here's a closer view of the pin and how it goes through both holes, and you can see now that the serpentine belt is loose and I can remove it. Now that the serpentine belt is removed, next we're going to remove the AC compressor. This is the AC compressor right there. The AC compressor is held by 3 bolts. There is one on top, one on bottom, and one on the rear. First we need to remove this electrical connector as well. This is the first bolt right there. The second bolt is up there. You can see this is the lower bolt, the upper bolt right there, and then there is another bolt here on the back, just behind this electrical connector, which we need to disconnect. We'll start removing the 3 bolts, and when we take down the AC compressor, then we're going to remove the 2 AC lines that are connected to it. Now that the 3 bolts are removed and electrical connector disconnected, we're going to take out the AC compressor. We're not going to be able to take it out completely yet because the 2 AC lines are still connected, but we'll move it down a little bit, and then we'll have better access to remove the 2 bolts holding the 2 AC lines. I'm not going to take out the AC compressor completely. I'm going to just show you how to remove the 2 AC lines. These are the 2 AC lines, and these are the 2 bolts that we need to remove. After removing the 2 bolts, take out the AC lines, and then you can take out the compressor. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.